I was honored early today to join the list of world leaders who have planted trees at the Grove of Nations, Jerusalem Forest. That event has given me new meaning for tree planting. That it is not only a good thing to protect our environment. I was pleased to learn this afternoon that it is also biblical and it is also spiritual. Mr. President, I understand here because for the first time, I found that we have to pray before we plant trees. We've always tried to plant trees in Kenya, and our success has been mixed. I think because we didn't have the element of prayer. So now that we do, I am very confident that we will succeed in our plan to plant 15 billion trees in the next 10 years.